Yes, Gigi, I love how you come out and give Colorsmith TV his flowers because you remember where you're coming from. But you see, our Knife Ninja, I remember where you're coming from. Yes, man, it's all about him. So, yes, Gigi, I love how you come out and you big up Colorsmith TV. Yes, man. And I even subscribe to that young man that was interviewing you, Gigi. Gigi, sometime in there, me are watching a Gigi and you have nothing but love in a Gigi. I don't care what you and Colorsmith have in the past. The past is the past. Because I love how you took that blueprint and run with it, Gigi. Because every time you put out a video, you're making your views because you're just being you. And I love your voice now, Gigi. Yeah, man, your voice is unique and authentic. Is that YouTube love? YouTube don't want no AI, too much AI, slut and stuff. Say, Gigi, I love how the way you come out here, just big up your boss and say, yes, and him make you fly upon a plane. But sometimes in life, guys, some people remember where they're coming from and some people don't remember. Because, especially Knife Ninja, Knife Ninja think that Colorsmith TV has owe him something. Look how me I watch Colorsmith TV today. 100 bucks food. The man go downtown, go drop off. I mean, no, I'm a fact, I never give a watch out the entire video, guys, but I saw him sharing out the food and I know those homeless people, their bellies is gonna fall. But you see, Knife Ninja, I see that man, that Knife Ninja pay off if he go downtown and pretend like him a boss nor her. Yes, man. I don't know why he is going down that road. It's not good for your Knife Ninja. 20 bucks of food you cook Sunday. And that part of the video is gone. It is so disgusting, distasteful to see your behavior and make a video and run out and say donation money. If you can't do anything for him, his link is in the description. Yes, man, Knife Ninja, you're a scammer. You're a big fat scammer. And if you don't know what you're doing, them if you don't know, them they do not they will fly down a country and bangle pie, and just go lock you down in a police station. It's when they come out to people money. Don't play with people money. Because people have to work like slave in these Western country. But no, come out with no receipt. Mm-hmm. You just buy the signal little. I tell you to buy in bulk. Just buy in bulk. If you want to make sure the homeless people then cool down, just buy a igloo and just make some juice. Use syrup and lime and water and ice. But no, you're not thinking. You need to watch Colorsmith TV and see your Colorsmith TV. Yes, man. Do his thing. You need to go and take a page out of that man book. But no, it's all about the donation money. Watching donation money. You have to stop watching money. See, if you want something with your life, guys, you cannot watch money. And even if you're going to learn a skill, you cannot think about money, because at the end of the day, sometimes, you don't learn nothing, because all is on your mind is just money. That's why I say Knife Ninja never wanted the blueprint. Knife Ninja wanted to just watch the donation money. And Colorsmith find out, say, yes, man, you're putting your hand in the cookie jar. Yeah, that's why Colorsmith does not want to answer you. So, Knife Ninja, I hope you watch this video, and if you take a page out of GG book, because GG is just showing love down on Colorsmith TV. I said, Colorsmith TV, give her the spotlight. And she even go as far as say, when certain people on the YouTube street are struggle for 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers, she get it on a silver platter. Because Colorsmith just dug her into one of his videos. And she just, subscribers and views views just coming left, right, and center. But no, Mr. Knife Ninja, I put in the work. See your GG and Colorsmith have them little difference, and GG take her channel to the next level. Look at GG, GG have her house. I don't care what she and Nick have. That a man and woman argument because they have kids. Tamara, keep her mouth out of that part, guys. But I'm just talking about the love that Gigi have been showing on Colorsmith TV. And I saw Gigi help a lot of content creators, Especially when she roast all the breadfruit with the curry chicken back sometimes. My mouth a run, guys. My mouth a run water, but because I know say me can't get none. Yes, guys, we have to support Gigi. Gigi is a good woman, and I love Gigi vibes. You know the first time me see Gigi, and when she talk about say, some woman before them come out of Jubilee Hospital or KPH, DNA have to run palm baby. Is that the way I know Gigi? And she was so freaking hilarious because she's authentic. She's being in herself. That's why I say, even me now doing this talking head video, I just be myself. I don't use nobody thumbnail. There's only one person thumbnail I use and it's Colors Me TV thumbnail. And because I wanted that spotlight, and I'm marketing myself. Yes, guys, I just use like their channel names. And yes, guys, I'm actually wrapping up views and subscribers. Although sometimes some of them come for me, some of them viewers are come for Empress from Jamrock tell me half Alicia Kim, but I don't care. I don't care. When they text me and I disrespect me, me just show them back love. And just text them and say, you ladies need to look within yourself. Because how can Boo go into her account and just steal from her and they have been depart? Yeah, all these months, they're not together. So how can Boo get that opportunity to go and steal her money? Petty cash, $260 something US. That is petty cash. Because you can't go to Jamaica right now, and get a 1 month grocery with that the $200 That's a monkey money. So Alicia Kim, when you come out with your bullshit, just come straight. Because all you go along with And that's a drag Boo name through the mud, Have views. You do it fine. You need to start show up Nari now. Nari should have put the ring on it already, Baby father Nari should put the ring on it, but no. Baby father Nari is a sweet boy. See, I come out on the live stream. He's not just sweet boy. A matter of fact, he cannot maintain. Nari, you cannot maintain Alicia Kim lifestyle, but Boo does it. And she repay Boo with hate. Nothing but it. Every chance she get is Boo she attacking. And when she come out and attack Boo, she's speaking in parables. But we, the viewers, know. Yeah, man, we know your scheme. Scheme, man. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Let's have a wonderful day. Yeah, man, and please leave a comment on this video here. Bye.